I am going to introduce you to a nice little Windows 10 tablet that you can use in manufacturing on the shop floor to track employee time, work orders, job status, work in progress, inventory, materials, all sorts of stuff, just with a barcode scanner. Now this is the RCA Cambio, but you can use any Windows 10 tablet and a barcode scanner. But we're going to go ahead and take a look at this little Cambio today. So let's unbox it and take a look. All right, let's unbox the little Cambio and see what you get. It's like Christmas. Little charger. Well, you don't get much, but you don't pay much either. That's it. Nice little 10-inch screen and detachable keyboard, virtual keyboard on Windows 10, or snap it back on with the magnets. Lots of peripheral ports, full-sized USB. So Standard Time has a little app called BC that you can use to track time with barcode scanners on the shop floor. So that's what you would use for little tablets like this with only 2 gigs of RAM. So let's go ahead and plug it in and do some barcode scanning. All right, we got the little Cambio turned on and ready to scan. Now, you can think of this environment as a manufacturer's setup. You've got your full Standard Time here with all the administrative screens for managers and supervisors who might set up new jobs and tasks. And then you've got a whip screen for work in progress on the shop floor, usually on big screens so that all the employees can look up and see the jobs that are in progress. Then you have little Windows 10 tablets like this little Cambio that says just 2 gigs of RAM for barcode scanning. Now you could deploy one of these for each employee or one for a number of employees to share. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to start by scanning the username of the employee, a job, and then lastly a task. So now that I've scanned those, a timer will start, and that timer will show up on the administrative screens and on the whip screen. You can have one timer for each employee as they're working. They start and stop the timers throughout the day, and you get the time for reporting and your KPIs on the administrative screen. So I really like this little Cambio. It's inexpensive and easy to use, and I hope you really like it.